Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Remington Remette here on the bench, and it's got some problems. The feed rollers are flat. That's going to get done. I already reworked the platen, and the index paw over here had to be replaced. Was the little spring in there was not letting it engage. But here's what we're going to do today. It's right here in front. See that thing right there? That's the letter Z, and that's not right. That letter Z, don't know what happened to this guy. He got abused. It's right there. It's broken, bent. So, don't know what happened, but the bar's got to be replaced. I have found the bar off another Remington, but the typeface is not the same. So one of these is Pica, one of them is Elite. Not quite the same, but I'm going to use the bar, and then I'm going to desolder this, desolder that, put this on that after I put it in the typewriter. So let's just do that. That's a pretty easy procedure here. Although I've never done a Remington with the gear type action here, but it looks to be about the same as standard type bar style. It's got a fulcrum rod in here that is accessible through this door, and then there's another door over here, of course, or a cover or something, call it. So I already took the type bar out of the donor machine, and since it's right on the edge, I don't think we need to use a follower. I'm just going to tap this and get it moving. So I can get to it from that side. I think let's do a little more in there. Okay, so it's poking out a little over here, and let's see if I can just pull it out enough to get the Z free the Z. That should be enough. Nope, it's not enough. Go a little bit more. Bit more, there it goes. So there's the Z bar, and let's just drop this guy in here and see, and push this fulcrum back and see if it works. I don't know. I don't think there's any alignment. Hopefully it went right back into the gear. Maybe I better look at this a little closer. So here's the Z. Okay, got the Z there. Here's the next one. Okay, I think I got the next one. This doesn't feel right. Yeah, see, that's out of, this one is out of sync. Should be out of the wrong gear mesh. You can see it. So those two are the gears right here on top. This one is not engaged. Let's see what happens here. That's not right. Okay, pull this fulcrum out a little bit. Get this type bar out of here. Because this is not... it's not... responding properly. So let's see. If I can get this to mesh up properly. I think it's right there. Looks like you gotta get them just right. Push the next one in. A feels right. Q feels right. So let's see if they all look about right here. Yeah. So those are all kind of even Steven there, so looks right. Must be right. So let's push this in the rest of the way. Looks like it protrudes a little bit. On both sides a little bit. Alright, well that's how we get a type bar in there, but I'm sure that Z is the wrong type style. It's gonna really show up. Okay, so that's stage 1 type bar replacement. I will move on to another video after this on desoldering and resoldering that bar back on here, or that type slug back on there. Do that in another video. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.